So I went ahead and picked up some knifeless tape and a 2x5 roll of gloss black 3M wrap. So the goal for today is to get my mirrors blacked out. I just think that it would flow so much better with gloss black mirrors, because then you got blacked out windows, and then my B pillar, and then technically this is my C pillar. Those are gloss black also, so I don't know why Ford didn't do it from factory, but we're gonna make this gloss black today. So one of the first things you'll need to do this install is you'll need a heat gun, and then you'll need a knife. So now I gotta find the knife. Okay, so first step for me was to obviously wash my car. I love my car being clean, so I always wash it all the time. And then if this is your first time taking the Focus's mirror caps off, what you'll need to do is tilt the mirror all the way like down, and then right here and right here there are two little push pins that you need to unbuckle basically. And I've already done my mirror taking it off before, so mine just pops off real easy. So these are the ones you're gonna have to push down, and they'll release these ones kind of with my fingers over here, and then it just kind of rolls off. So this is the passenger side. I already got the driver's side off, so I'm going to set this up here in the safe spot, that way it doesn't get scratched. And then first thing I need, I'm going to use some Adam's detail spray, just that way I don't create a bunch of scratches on there. That's better. Alright. So I have some alcohol wipes right here, which I will use to clean the mirror. That way there I get a proper adhesion with the wrap. So I'll save that for another time. And what's cool about this little kit that I bought is it comes with one, the wrap itself, and also a squeegee and felt pads. The felt pads are used to help reduce the risk of scratches, which I'm sure it'll happen, but I don't want to make it happen on the first try. So this is the X-Acto knife that I have. It's a fresh blade, so it should cut pretty well. I cracked open that roll of wrap and cut off a strip, that way I cut this in half. What I am super glad about is there is a clear film over the black, so whatever scratches are on there should go right off, and it should be better that way. So first thing I'm going to do, get a lens wipe. It's whatever I had. A lot of people use alcohol and stuff like that, like rubbing alcohol. I do have a fan going, so hopefully that's not too much noise, just because it is hot, very hot, even though it's October already. But I think I'm going to put knifeless tape right along the inside right here, just that way the wrap should make it a little bit easier to get curve. And I'm not going to open this one because the knifeless tape came with it. So there's that. Instructions, don't tear. And these are the felt pads I was talking about. And the real reason I'm doing this, starting with the mirrors, is because eventually I want to wrap the whole car. I really like the way the look of an all-black Focus is, with like the RSs and stuff like that. I really think it's just a really good look. So I wanted to work with the material before I bought way too much of it. With the knifeless tape, I'm just going to I'm gonna follow the line that's actually on the mirror, so it should make it a little bit easier. Okay, so there's my knifeless tape. What I want to try and do is cover this little piece right here, do that, then I'll wrap the entire mirror. That way the seam goes over this part right here, because this is the window part. So that'll be the seam, and I think it'd be better to have the seam overlap on the inside rather than coming out. So there's my logic behind it. Oh, and there's little arrows in here, and I'm gonna try my best to keep the arrows facing up. So, yeah. Hit it with a little bit of heat, just to make it a little bit more pliable. Now I don't want to burn the material, so I want to keep it far away. I don't want it to be too hot. So the thing with knifeless tape is you really want to leave enough for you to work with, because it's hard to grab onto. Doesn't work with sweaty hands, I'll tell you that. Okay, what I'm gonna do. Okay, so the knifeless tape was honestly a waste. I'm not saying you shouldn't buy it, it's just, I don't know, I think I'm just too dumb to use it. I did just freehand it. You don't have to put that much pressure onto it. It just kind of folds into place. And then for the edges, I want to make sure it's all tucked and nice and neat. That way I don't have so I don't want to say this is like hard work, but it is like meticulous. It just takes time. Not too shabby. So now what I'm going to do is, and just see if I can figure out the knifeless tape, because it would have been a whole lot easier if I could have done that in the first place, or it would have been better just to cut it. Okay. So the knifeless tape, I'm going to save for another day. And like I said earlier, I was going to try and keep the arrows up, but at this point, I'm just going to use what I have, because I didn't get that much, and I really want to make this look good. So, and first thing I thought of, this tape right here, when I tried pulling it off, it pulled the clear. I don't want to mess with the clear right now. I want to, well, I did pull the clear off that one, but I do want to try and get this to be as good as I can get it. So that's disgusting. Okay, so first mistake, I tried wrapping it in one go. What I'm going to need to do is do another seam, which isn't ideal, but that's what I got to do. This stuff is actually like really cool. I'm glad I ordered some to mess with it. Probably isn't the best idea, but it's my idea. So So I am going to pull off that first little piece that I did. And that's what's cool about wrap. Like, if that was paint, I wouldn't be having that much fun. So now, since I did just get my sweaty mitts all over it, I will clean it again. Maybe that will help me a little bit. My next plan of attack, like, I know this probably won't look the best. I'm not probably most definitely not using like proper wrap techniques. I messed this one up. there's a bunch of like wrinkles and stuff in this one. I don't know what I'm doing wrong, or if I'm just not doing it right at all. But I don't like this. I'll be honest. I kind of gave up. This is the final outcome. As you can tell, I couldn't get that liner. Nothing wanted to fall into place here. It looks sick from a distance. Like it flows. You can really tell. But I didn't even try on this one. I didn't even try. I put too many scratches in the other mirror from just not cutting it right. So there's scratches all through here, scratches all through here. I'm gonna rock it for a day or two just to see what I think. If I want to try again, I'll try again. But the main purpose for the wrap was to wrap the door, the B-pillar on the truck. So the Rams from the factory, they come with like a ugly flat black thing right there. So what I was gonna do is make that gloss black because it's been on the truck for, I don't know, 5 years. And it's all faded and it's time to come off. So I was gonna put some of this on there. So that might be the end of this video because I don't know if I can do that other mirror right now. I'm hungry. I'm tired. I don't know. Maybe this vlog will continue. Maybe not. If it doesn't, and you got the mirror off, and you wanted to do, let's say, oh yeah, I'll show you guys. So, same tutorial type of thing. If you wanted to get the mirror off to get the sequential turn signal in there, comes off the same way. Same way. I don't know if you can see that. Way brighter and way cooler. It actually lights the entire car up at night with, like, when I unlock it. It's like a puddle light, but yellow. I don't know. I like it. I think I'm gonna end up trying to do the other mirror gloss black, but right now is not the time. So if you're still watching, thank you for watching. Peace out. Maybe I'll see you guys next time. Maybe I'll get that other mirror done. Maybe I'll unwrap it. Never know. I might even go carbon fiber. So since that one is scratched up, I might just upgrade rather than trying to change the look. So, all right. Bye, guys.